Let's talk about horizontal asymptote. If this is your first time of seeing my video, consider subscribing, follow my page, like and share this video to your friends. Basically, we are going to look into three conditions that we need to follow when looking for horizontal asymptotes of rational functions. We have for the first condition, when the top degree is greater than the bottom degree. For the second condition, we have that the top degree will be equal to the bottom degree. And for the last condition, we have when the top degree is less than the bottom degree. Now, what are degrees? Degrees are basically the number or the index, the highest power of x in any polynomial. Let's assume x squared minus 2x minus 3. So in this polynomial, the degree of this polynomial is 2 because the highest power of x is 2. So this polynomial is a degree 2 polynomial. Now let us take the same knowledge and look at these rational functions that we have. We have from the top, right? And we can see that the degree of the top, which is the numerator, in this case, in our question 1, is 3. And we have from the bottom that the degree of x is 1. So we can say that the top degree is greater than the bottom degree. Now, I also want you to take note the condition when the top degree is greater than the bottom degree. Whenever the top degree is greater than the bottom degree and you are asked to obtain the horizontal asymptote of this type of function, it is basically no horizontal asymptote. None. Whenever you see this type of function where the degree at the top is greater than that of the bottom, there is no horizontal asymptote, right? But you can find what we call the slant or the oblique asymptote, but that will be a discussion in our next video. So the same thing applies here. We have x squared plus 1 from the top and x minus 3 from the bottom. So basically, the horizontal asymptote is none. This means that for this function, there is no horizontal asymptote. So let's look into the second condition we have on our list. Now we have when top degree will be equal to the bottom degree. Now in this type of case, the way we need to obtain the horizontal asymptote of this type of function is to divide the two highest power of x. We have x squared and we have 3x squared. So to obtain the horizontal asymptote of this function, we have to divide these two highest power of x. So we have that y will be equal to x squared, which is this, divided by 3x squared, which is this, right? So x cancels x, leaving us with, there's an invisible one here, leaving us with 1 over 3. So this is basically the horizontal asymptote of x squared plus 1 over 3x plus 1. And for this second case we have that x squared plus 4 over 4 minus x squared. And we're asked to obtain the horizontal asymptote of this function. Remember, we have the power of x from the top to be x squared. And we have the power of x from the bottom to be x squared. So we need to divide both the top and the bottom. And if we do that, we have y to be equal to x squared divided by. Now, I also want you to take very good note of this negative sign, right? You need to observe this negative sign so you don't make mistakes. So we divide by negative x squared, right? So x squared takes x squared. We have negative 1 for our horizontal asymptote. You need to take very good note of the signs when you are working with horizontal asymptotes. So basically, the horizontal asymptote of this function is negative 1. Always take note, when the top is greater than the bottom, there is no horizontal asymptote. In this case, there may be slight or oblique asymptotes, but we're not talking about that in this video. So when you have the top degree to be equal to the bottom degree, you divide the highest power of x. Now, for the last condition that we have in our list, we have when the top degree is greater than the bottom degree. When the top degree is less than the bottom degree. When the top degree is less than the bottom degree. So in this case, whenever you have the top degree less than the bottom degree, your horizontal asymptote will be 0. No matter what the function is, as long as the top degree is less than the bottom degree, your horizontal asymptote is 0, right? So this is the basic ways of obtaining horizontal asymptote. This is one of the simplest methods of obtaining horizontal asymptotes of rational function. You just need to know the conditions: when top degree is greater, when top degree is equal, and when top degree is less, right? So I hope you do enjoy this video. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, follow my page, like and share this video to your friends. Hope to see you on our next class. Bye for now.